Welcome to the world of working at Pioneer Central School. You'll want to know more about WinCapWeb, our electronic way of filing a timesheet and keeping track of benefit time. Soon after you're hired, you'll receive an email invitation with a link to access WinCapWeb with your login and default password. Your email address is your user ID by default. You can change your password later if you'd like to make it something you can remember better. Note that the password you choose needs to have at least one number and a symbol. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll see several choices along the top row. Clicking on Home will display the two primary functions of WinCapWeb: employee self-service and electronic timesheets. My WinCap is where you can go to change your password or security questions. Under Employee Self-Service, you can view your attendance balance and activity, your paychecks and your paycheck details, and your year-to-date earning totals. Clicking on Timesheets takes you to the electronic timesheet module, and Support provides contact information for assistance. Within Employee Self-Service, the left column includes selections such as My Attendance Balances, My Attendance Activity, which is useful when you want to use your benefit time, My Paychecks, and Year-to-Date Totals. So let's click on Timesheets and then Time Card. If you can, check this screen daily for correct info. You'll see your current time card, and your standard work hours will automatically populate in a given pay period. These have been already entered by your supervisor, including your lunch. If everything here looks good, verify the check mark under Approved, press Save, and soon you'll be getting paid. Here's another scenario. Maybe you came in late with your supervisor's permission and worked later than normal. Find the correct date, click on your normal start time, the In column, change it to the correct one, and do the same with the Out column. Make sure the approved check mark is there and hit Save. In the next example, we'll add some additional supervisor approved hours you may have worked. Click Add New Time, make sure the date is correct, and enter your in time. Then add the description, extra punch in this case, the out time, and save. It is required that you add a reason in the note area to explain any additional hours. The total for that day is automatically calculated and added to your hours for the week. Finally, let's see what you can do to add benefit or excused time on a day you were scheduled to work the entire day. If the hours are already populated, delete that day from your timesheet with the red X. Then choose Add Excused Time. Make sure to select the day you want to use benefit time from the menu. Go to the Benefit Time drop-down under Description and choose the type of benefit time you're using. If you're using the full day, then enter the number of hours that you're paid for in a standard day. Make sure to hit Save after making the changes. And what if you're going to use benefit time for only part of the day? Start by making sure you have the proper date selected and pick from the next drop-down the type of benefit time you're requesting. Enter the total number of hours you worked on that day, and remember to hit that Save button. Keep in mind that support is available from the payroll associate in your building's main office. They can help you navigate the ins and outs of WinCapWeb and make sure you get what's coming to you.